2006 it was, myself along with Mapala Fly, we got a chance to go to a place called Paris. And I had to realize when we got there that a lot of the stuff I grew up seeing on a TV, reading in books was all over there. I never know it was all over there. So when we got into Paris itself, I was kind of like flipping out. I mean, everything that I was seeing. And I started to write a song, but I only even write just a chorus at the time because we was too busy doing all that kind of stuff and taking in fonts. So, I left France in '06 with only a verse to a song that was unfinished. And in 2010, I got a chance to go back to France, and I was sitting in a cafe on the side of the street, and the song would come back into my mind, and it hit me, so I asked the waiter for a pen, I grabbed some napkins, and I started going to town. And before you know it, I finished the song, and it went a little something like this.
the party song.